Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking Facebook Happy Birthday post. If you are creating a post for anyone, your friends, colleagues, teammates, or anyone else, and you want to create a happy birthday post for them, you can create it in Canva. If you don't have any design or creative experience, you don't have to worry, because Canva allows you to modify templates already created by professional and creative designers. All you need to do is pick a template that works well for you and modify it, and your post will be ready. So, create your account in Canva and go to the search bar and search for a Happy Birthday Facebook post. We are making a post for Facebook, which is why. Now you can see the Canva templates available for modification. Click on See All to explore all the templates. Then scroll down. You can access everything from minimal to professional-looking templates. Some are paid and some are free, but you can choose whichever one you like. I'll go with this one. This one is Pro, but you can simply find a free version and use that one. Okay, this one looks good, and it's free, so I'll go with this one. Just click on Customize this template. I'll use this one, and now you can see that I have full access to modify whatever I want. Starting with the text. If you want to add text, you can do so. These are the features available for text customization. If you want to change the font, here is the font changing option. This one is for resizing. And this one is for changing the text color. This one is for making the text bold or italic like this. You can try them out. Now, if you want to change the background, it is currently an image. If you want to replace it with your own image, go to Uploads and upload an image from your PC. You can then drag and drop it like this. If you want to add an image from the Canva library, go to Elements and search for a Happy Birthday background. Then go to Photos. If you want to add any graphics, you can choose whichever one you like. For now, we'll use Photos because we are using the image as a background. I'll choose the background that looks good. I like this one, so I'll drag and drop it like this. If I don't like this one, I can use this one instead. As you can see, you can replace your background image like this. Now, let's replace this image with your own image. Again, go to Uploads, upload an image from your PC, and your image will appear here. Then, simply drag and drop it like this to replace the template image. Now, if you want to reposition your image, just double-click on it. Then, if you want to resize your image or adjust the position of your image, you can simply play around with it and try everything. You can add your own image, your own text, your own details, everything you need. When you are done with the modifications and customization and you want to download your file, go to Share, then Download. You can download it in PNG format or choose any other available format. Simply download it, and your Facebook Happy Birthday post will be ready to upload to Facebook for your friends, colleagues, teammates, or family members. Anyone. Thank you for watching.